Hey guys, so it's me Veronica and I am back with another video. This is going to be a really short video, but I was supposed to be an unboxing, but I got so excited. So this is kind of like a look through of the mini helixes that I have purchased, and I ordered these from Laura's Little Boutique. There's the information. Once again, I love ordering from them because the packaging, it just comes so pretty, and you know, it coming all the way from Finland to where I am in such a quick period of time too. I mean, shipping is fast considering. So here's what I got. The Queen's Court Mini Helix. I said when I ordered this, I was like, please, please let me have Sandy on there. I personally love Sandy, even though I'm giving these to my daughters. Both of them. One is for my oldest daughter and then one's for my middle daughter. I just love Sandy. She's my favorite Tokidoki character. And I said I want Sandy on there, so I got her, and then I checked on the sides. I have her on both sides of the bag, guys. Now I know this is not my bag, but I may have to take this from my daughter a couple of times just to use it. But oh, look at Donatella, so cute. So this is kind of like a little overview. I love the zippers, the black hardware, everything. It's like butter when you open these. If I can find a little zipper pull. Like, they're so smooth. Now I see what everybody's talking about. I don't own anything. Oh, I take that right back. I was about to say I don't own anything from the Onyx collection, but I do have a fuel cell that I use regularly. That lining, oh my gosh. I had asked somebody if it was similar to Kaiju City, and they had said it was more like a Perky Toki. I don't have Perky Toki anything because I didn't get into Jujubee until this past year. So that came out a few years ago. So I didn't have anything to do a comparison to, but this is very, very similar to Kaiju City, if not the same. I stuck it next to my Kaiju City Be Classy, and the lining is almost the same. Like, it's slightly, the Kaiju City is like slightly more green, but I mean, unless you're really looking, you wouldn't even notice a difference. This is so cute. I thought these things were gonna be, oh, excuse me for calling them things, but I thought that they were gonna be small like the itty bitty. When I got the itty bitties in the mail for the first time I've ever seen one in real life, they were so tiny. So I was like, oh my gosh. My daughters, they just have them hanging on their beds right now in their rooms. They're really tiny. These in comparison are way bigger than the itty bitties. I wish I had one right with me to show you, but they're bigger. They look like they'll hold a lot. Well, I know they'll hold a lot more than itty bitties, and it's enough for them to hold their stuff, you know, their money and lip gloss and stuff like that, chapstick, hair ties and stuff like that. So, and I also purchased the Prism Rose. I was initially gonna get this for myself, and I kind of regret not getting me one. But this lining, guys, oh my gosh. The zippers are not as smooth as the zippers on the Kaiju. Actually, oh Lord, I'm calling it Kaiju City. Queen's Court. Oh my gosh, that pink lining is just so pretty with that pink mesh. I love how the colors are together. This is definitely black, but I guess because of the colors, it kind of makes it look like I don't know how to describe this black. It's not like black, like jet black like this, but it is definitely black. I thought it was going to be a different color when I got it, because in pictures it looks way different. But that lining, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so upset with myself that I didn't get me one. I should have gotten one in gray matter. I don't know what I was thinking. Now I'm mad, but I'm happy that at least, you know, my girls have one, and I can always use them, you know, when they get tired of them. I can always take them and use them. But that's it. That's all for today. That's all I wanted to share. I was just super excited. I got this package in the mail. It came a day early, so I was even more excited about that. And look at this hardware, that rose gold. Don't mind my nails. They are hit. That rose gold, guys, so beautiful. I don't know why I didn't get one. Hopefully I'll be able to find one. I know I'm not gonna be able to find this, not for retail anyway. That's wishful thinking, but I know I'll probably be able to find one of these somewhere. They're floating around somewhere. So that is my video. Just something short and simple. I just got super excited and I wanted to share my excitement with you guys. I mean, oh my gosh, why did I not get one? But anyways, thank you for watching. I am definitely going to be posting more videos, some different videos for me actually. I have some lined up. So just be on the lookout for those, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.